wabarakatuh. The importance of deen. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulil kareem. Amma ba'd. My respected readers and friends, it is a great favor of Allah Ta'ala that He has made us Muslims and made us among the Ummah of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Allah has granted us the best and easiest religion so that we can lead our entire life according to the commands of Allah and in the manner shown to us by Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. If we practice it, we will have a pleasant life in this world and the everlasting Jannah in the hereafter. May Allah Ta'ala grant us all the ability to practice the deen. Ameen. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
জাযাকাল্লাহু খায়ের। এত সুন্দর হয়ে গেছে তো, তোমার হয়ে গেছে তো, এত সুন্দর বক্তব্য রাখলেন।